Host the API on its own hostname. Be strict in what you accept. Avoid OAuth if possible. Use unique IDs with every request. Be descriptive with error responses. Use prefixed tokens, and stay on top of failures. Meta reportedly plans to release a commercial version of its language model, Llama. It may also release AI chatbots for different types of users. Access to Meta's commercial AI model will likely be free at launch. Meta plans to charge enterprise customers for custom versions of the model. Stability AI is launching a new service that turns sketches into images called Stable Doodle. Stable Doodle leverages the latest Stable Diffusion model to analyze the outline of a sketch and generate an artistic rendition of it. It is available now through ClipDrop. Examples of images generated with Stable Doodle are available in the article. SpaceX has made over 1,000 modifications to Starship since its first orbital flight test. The changes include significant adjustments to the thrust vector controls, staging, liftoff, and flight termination system. Elon Musk says that Starship will be ready to fly again by August. There are several regulatory hurdles to overcome before the next test flight can receive launch approval. The Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers has added 802.11 BB as a standard for light-based wireless communications. The formalization of 802.11 BB will help speed up the rollout and adoption of the light-based transmission technology standard. Li-Fi delivers faster, more reliable, and more secure wireless communications compared to conventional technologies. Now that the standard has been released, it is hoped that the issue of interoperability between Li-Fi and Wi-Fi can be fully addressed. VCs are seeing the most challenging fundraising market many have seen in years. The number of VCs that had raised a fund in the previous 8 years grew from 883 to 2,718 between 2010 to 2022. Many people in the industry agree that there are too many VCs and that the industry needs to shrink. It is estimated that up to 80% of venture firms are sitting in strategically challenged positions. Kuma UI is a headless, utility-first, zero-runtime UI component library. It features style autocompletion, headless components, RSC support, and a familiar developer experience. A short demo video is available. Code Interpreter can do the majority of tasks required to do finance work. GitHub's Merge Queue is now generally available, meaning that there will no longer be traffic jams on the busiest branches. The feature streamlines pull requests and allows multiple developers to commit code on a daily basis without frustration. Merge Queue makes sure that pull requests are compatible with other changes ahead of it and alerts users if something goes wrong. This means that teams can focus on the good stuff: writing, submitting, and committing. The next generation of programmers are less likely to be motivated by a love of programming than previous generations. Stability AI co-founder Cyrus Hodes claims he was deceived into selling his 15% stake in the company for $100 to CEO Ahmad Mostak. He says that Mostak made him believe that the startup was worthless by hiding the company's work on Stable Diffusion. Hodes spent countless hours working for the company before it was bought out. Stability AI says that the suit is without merit. Aptos, which will replace Calibri as the default font in Microsoft Office, is inspired by mid-20th century Swiss typography. The hype around passkeys will prevent, or severely hinder, security key users from choosing the authenticator they want to use. Telly plans on shipping 500,000 free TVs to customers by the end of 2023 and millions more in 2024.